everyone, my name is Antin Mutia Putri and today I would like to present my analysis of a learning videos based on 5 pedagogical aspects, namely opening activity, learning process, content delivery, learning media, and formative assessment with feedback. Okay, first let's talk about the opening activity. At 21 seconds until 50 seconds, the teacher begins the lesson by greeting the students, asking about their condition, leading a prayer, and checking attendance. This is a good classroom management strategy because it creates a positive and respectful learning environment. Next, at 1 minute and 16 seconds until 1 minute 29 seconds, the teacher invites the students to sing Lihat Kebunku and continues with a tepuk semangat. This activity is appropriate because it increases students' enthusiasm and prepares them emotionally for learning. Then at 1 minute and 39 seconds, the teacher asks questions about the previous lesson as an perception activity. After that, at 1 minute 44 seconds, the teacher introduced today's topic, and at 1 minute 57 seconds, explain the learning objective using simple language that is suitable for elementary school students. Overall, I think the opening activity is well organized because it includes classroom conditioning, motivation, appreciation, and learning objective. Moving on to the learning process, at 2 minutes and 16 seconds, the teacher used several teaching methods include lecture, question and answer, and discussion. The teacher not only explained the material but also encouraged students to participate by answering questions. Furthermore, at 30 minutes and 30 seconds, the lesson reflects a student-centered learning approach, where students are actively involved instead of only listening to the teacher. In my opinion, this approach is effective because students are encouraged to think and communicate their ideas. However, the discussion activity could be improved by involving more students, so everyone has an equal opportunity to participate. The third aspect is content mastery. Around 1 minute 45 seconds, the teacher starts explaining the material in a logical and cinematic way. The explanation is clear, easy to understand, and appropriate for elementary school students. From my observation, I did not find any misconceptions or incorrect explanation in the lesson. Therefore, I can conclude that the teacher has a good understanding of the subject matter and delivers it effectively. The fourth aspect is the use of learning media. In the lesson, the teacher used PowerPoint slides to present the material. The slides help organize the information and make the explanation easier to follow. However, I think the lesson would be more engaging if the teacher also used royal objects, short video, or interactive learning games. Those media could increase students' participation and make learning more meaningful. Okay, finally, let's discuss formative assessment and feedback. The teacher checks students' understanding by asking oral questions at 2 minutes 31 seconds and 3 minute 34 seconds. This is a good example for formative assessment because it allows the teacher to monitor students' learning during the lesson. At minute 52 seconds, the teacher asks students to complete a reflection exercise and give appreciation for their participation. This positive feedback can increase students' confidence and motivation. One suggestion is that when a student gives an incorrect answer, the teacher could provide a more detailed explanation so that the whole class can better understand the concept. In conclusion, the learning video demonstrates good pedagogical practice. The teacher successfully managed the classroom, applies student-centered learning, explains the material clearly, use appropriate learning media, and conducts formative assessment with positive feedback. Although there is still room for improvement, especially in using more interactive media and involving all students equally in discussion, the overall learning process is effective and suitable for elementary school students. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye.